Welcome back. The next topic which we will discuss, that is reconstruction. Now in this topic we'll read what changes has been done by Hitler. Now Hitler assigned the responsibility of economic recovery to the economist Jelmer Sachset, who aimed at the full production and full employment through state-funded work creation programs. Now Hitler, he assigned one person who was a very great economist, and he has all the responsibility to do the economic recovery, and the name of that person was Jelmer Sachset. What was the aim of Jelmer Sachset? He wanted a full production and full employment through one program which is created through state fund. This project produced the famous German superhighways and people car, the Volkswagen. One car was introduced under this program, and famous German superhighways also produced. Now in foreign policy also Hitler acquired quick success. So whatsoever foreign policies were there, Hitler, he got quick success in that. He pulled out of the League of Nations in 1933, reoccupied the Rhineland in 1936, and integrated Austria and Germany in 1938 under the slogan "One People, One Empire, One Leader." So as Hitler, he promised that he will take out all the foreign policies which took place after First World War. So he pulled out the League of Nations in 1933, and then he reoccupied Rhineland, which was taken by Allied powers. And in 1936, he integrated Austria and Germany in 1938 under one slogan. He gave one slogan, that one people who belong to one empire and under one leader. Hitler was the one leader only. He wanted this. He then went to West Germany, Peking Sudetenland from Czechoslovakia, and gobbled up. Gobbled up means, if we go for literal meaning, it's a verb, and the meaning is eat hurriedly. So he went to West German Sudetenland from Czechoslovakia, and wanted that these all different areas would come in, and in this Germany only, it would become one entire country. And in all of these, he had the unspoken support of England. So in that, he had the support of England, which had considered the Versailles verdict too harsh. England was one country which considered that the Versailles Treaty was very harsh. So England was supporting Germany indirectly, and these quick successes at home and abroad seemed to reverse the destiny of the country. Now, as and when Hitler was merging all these different areas in Germany, and it seems that whatsoever wrong thing was done with Germany, it would reverse the destiny of the country because of Hitler. Now Hitler did not stop here. After merging all these areas, Czechoslovakia, Sudetenland, so he did not stop here. Sachset had advised Hitler against investing hugely in rearmament. Rearmament means it's a noun, and the meaning is arm. Invest in arms. Arms means the weapons which is used by army, guns or like these. So the economist Sachset, he advised Hitler not to invest so much money in arms, as the state still ran on deficit financing. We knew that this Germany was going through economic crisis, and that is why Sachset, he advised Hitler that not to invest too much money on arms, because still the state is running on deficit financing, and cautious people, however, had no place in Nazi Germany. Sachset had to leave. Now Hitler thought that Sachset, he is becoming over smart, so he had to leave because Hitler wanted himself as a superior power. So Hitler chose war as the way out of the approaching economic crisis. So to come out from the economic crisis, Hitler chose war. It is the only method through which the Germany can come out of economic crisis.